Hi, today I came with very easy method, that is to divide a polynomial with another polynomial. Generally in the class 9 and 10 students, they will get little bit inconvenience when they want to divide the given polynomial with another polynomial. So that question I am going to do in my own way. I hope that this method you will feel very easy. So now this is the one question is given. I have taken from the book. That question is p of x equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. We have to divide this polynomial by the given polynomial is x square plus 1 minus x. So shall I start it? Okay. So now I am doing here like this. Which of a polynomial you want to divide? That polynomial you have to take at the middle. Otherwise you are going to say that is the dividend. Then I am writing here x power 4. When you are writing the polynomial, just you have to observe. That is the power you have to observe. Power should be like that. First power should be very high. X power 4 is there, sir. After that, any x power 3 terms are there, once you check. No x power 3 terms are not there. Then I am going to put here 0. What is that meaning? X power 3 terms are not there. Next, power 2 terms are there. Yes, sir. What is that? X square. After power 2, x term is there, plus 4x. Last one is the constant. Keep this thing. Okay. Now, some teachers they will write the divide, the quotient is upside. Some we are going to write the sidewise. No problem. According to your page requirement, you can write it. So now, if you want to write the top only, sir, means I will write at the top only. This place I have given for what, Nana? Quotient. Clear? You want to divide with which one? You want to divide with x square plus 1 minus x. Again you have to observe that formula only. What is that? You have to write in the order. First one is what? X square. Next, I am not going to write the constant. I am writing the variable, that is the x. Next, plus 1. So now, in this case, when you want to divide this polynomial by this one, generally children they are going to multiplication method. But I don't like that because some maximum children will get the confusion. Now, you want answer is how much, Nana? When you want to divide with x square, you need answer is x power 4. So whatever the question is given to you, first to take this term. X power 4, rough work I am doing here, Nana. Rough work I am doing here. First term is what? X power 4, sir. Here the first term is what? X square. Simply divide with the term. X power 4 by x power 2. I hope you know very well easily this is the 2. Then answer is how much? X square. So now our quotient will be how much? X square. Then write at the quotient is x square. Then simply multiply x square into x square. X power 4 sir. Minus into plus. Minus sir. X into x square, x power 3 sir, plus into plus, plus sir, 1 into x square sir. I hope one step is clear. I hope this is you understood. Very easy method this one. Multiplication generally we are going to do like that. If you multiply with what number, you are going to x power 4. Generally they will say, sir, x square into x square, x power 4. But if here it is the easy. But when the term become the bigger one, you will get the confusion. Powers are 2 by 3 or 1 by 3 like that are there. You will get the confusion. This is the easy method for you. Then I am going to do like this. Here subtracting minus plus minus x power 4 minus cancelled and plus plus x power 3 again minus minus 4 x square plus 4x plus 5. Now once observe we need which term? X power 3. How much you have? X square. Then again, no need to multiply or anything, simply keep away. I am going to do, sir, first term x power 3, first term x square, and dividing, I got it is the x. Power 1 means x only. Then here what I am writing, Nana? Plus x. X square into x power 3. Minus into plus, minus x into x square, plus into plus 1 into x. Clear? Then minus plus minus. Why I am doing subtracting? I want to avoid the terms high powers. Then only it is called division only, na? Then I am going to divide. Eliminated. Then minus 4x square plus x square, minus 3x square plus 4x minus x plus 3x plus 5. Clear? And next, what you now you want the which term you required? Minus 3x square. You have the which term? X square. Same thing. Minus 3x square by x square. Answer how much you got? Minus 3. X square get be cancelled. Then I am writing here minus 3. Then write there x square into minus 3. Minus 3x square, sir. Minus into minus plus x into 3, 3x. And 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Then I am going to say plus minus plus. Plus minus get be cancelled. Plus minus get be cancelled. 5 plus 3, 8 is the remainder. Can you say that the given g of x is factor of p of x? No. Why? You got the remainder is 8. So this is the very easy method. Here this is called remainder. This is called quotient. Is that clear? When if you get the, if remainder is 0, then we say g of x is what we are going to say, Nana? It is the g of x is 1 second, factor of p of x. But here 0, it is not got 0, then it is not a factor. So now if it is the easy, I am going to for one difficult question for the next step. Okay, we will do.